Happening like it does to me every single time I load up any application, particularly Fortnite. So what we're gonna want to do is go to power, turn off. One minute.
33 p.m. Set.
Stop. Now that's in. You're gonna want to hold this. One beep. You're also gonna want to put in a lead. Here. So once you've done that, you're gonna want to go to rebuild database. Oh shit, it's just the right one. Oh fuck it. Yeah, it's gonna take about 15 minutes because it does all the time. And that should clear the cache, whatever, from the thing. So